Hey everybody, Jason here again. So I said I was going to make a second one. I expected this video to be rolling out all those put credit spreads because I did not expect such a recovery on Tesla today, but hey, we'll take it. The only bad side was that we didn't get to close out our call credit spreads, which I'm kind of surprised because if we take a look at it, it does show the price was around a couple dollars. And sometimes this can be a little confusing to people. And if they're showing it's cost you $2 to close and you put an order for $4, well, why don't they close? Well, that's slippage. That's a difference between the bid and ask. You have two different positions you're trying to close out. So even at that $2 level, you're going to have to offer a little bit more than somebody's wanting to sell it for, or offer a little bit less than somebody's wanting to buy it for. So that's probably it. If I would have offered $1 more, it most likely would have closed, but all that's fine. Because those didn't close, we rode back down the value, positive for our account, but down in value on the put credit spread side. You can see these things this morning we're sitting at 69, I mean even up to 90 cents momentarily, so anywhere 60, 70, or 80. And now just a few hours later we can close them out for 17. So we had quite the gain there. And if we look at the one that we did open this morning, which I believe was a 10.8 if I'm not mistaken, there it is, the 660, 655. We opened that for $105 this morning, already up 40% on that guy. So beautiful position. We can just hold on to that and let that decay for a little bit. We are sitting good with our iron condors. We're pretty much sitting good, pretty much all across the board. I did open up some long condors also this morning. Let's see if we can find those. The 4-option strategy showing that we're down $15 on them. Open these up for $45 a piece. You can take a look at the strike prices here if you want. So I was basically, while Tesla was down, I was playing this to the upside, which I was expecting for that recovery to take a little bit longer, or definitely didn't expect it to happen in a day. If we would have played this for this Friday, these would have already been up several 100%. But since we do have just basically a lot of time on this long condor, we don't get very profitable until we have some more time decay. And that is if it stays within our two mid-strike prices of 735 and 745. So this, since Tesla's showing some upside and some strength going into the time when we're seeing production numbers, delivery numbers, and then shortly after that, we're going to see the earnings report. I went ahead and put a closing order of $55 a piece on those. So happy to grab $10 profit on each of these. That'll just be a $50 gain there. And short of that, not making any more plays. Once again, we just have a day of waiting for theta to decay. But if it decays to the tune of $3,000, that is fantastic. And if we look just one more thing at Tesla itself, we can see our actual gain on Tesla was about $1,000. So that means the rest of it, $2,000, $2,200, is all just on our actual options plays. Yeah, we do have some other equities in the account, but this is of course the majority of it. So hopefully we'll get those closed out tomorrow. Last day possible will be Wednesday. I don't really care where it's at by Wednesday. I'm not going to hold those things till the last minute to collect another $1 or $2. I want to get them rolled out and get some more decay going. And then actually this Friday, now we can start looking at rolling out some of our 624s, and we do have a decent amount of these. We have 12, 19, 2021, 22. So we have quite a bit here. So we'll be rolling those guys out. Boy, we could actually get those rolling out pretty quick. Only $16, $60 is pretty decent, but and $23. We want to start Want to start getting those guys rolled out so we have more premium to collect, so we don't see upsides of just $3,000 or $4,000 on the day. We want to see some of these $5,000, $6,000, $10,000, $20,000 days again. Plus stick some more cash in there so we can open up even more. All right, guys, love you. Let's make a lot of money.